Hey, I'm Sarah from Timely. Today we're going to be talking about our new feature, Lock Time, and how it helps prevent accidental changes or unauthorized edits to your time records, making them trustworthy and dependable. This feature offers you peace of mind knowing that your important time entries won't be accidentally modified. So let's get to it. So in order to use this feature, a workspace admin will need to decide who exactly should be able to lock or unlock these time entries in the dashboard. So head over to Settings and Workspace. Scroll down until you see Locked Time. You'll now see the ability to let managers or team leads or employees lock and unlock time periods as you see fit. Admins will always be able to see this. So you'd click it and then you'd click Update Settings. So head over to Hours in the day view, and on the three dots you can see here that you can lock the day. So I'm going to lock the day. Likewise, you can go and unlock the day. Confirm. And now that is unlocked. Equally, you can go up to Lock Day here and lock the day from here too. And also unlock the day if you need to unlock the day. So in Week View, if you want to lock an entire week of time entries, that's no problem. You just click Lock Week. Are you sure you want to lock this week? Yes, I do. Those time entries are now locked. You can also hit the three dots and lock the day, so you can lock days from this view too, which is very helpful. Then from the month view, you can lock the month like that, and you can still go in and lock the day from individual entries too. That's how you lock time entries in the day, week or month view. So head to Company, and on the drop down menu here you'll see your team. So let's have a look at the consultant. From here you can lock their week too. So that's their week now locked from the admin point of view. Essentially you see the exact same locking options as you would for the individual, but for your different team members. So what does it actually mean to lock a time entry? So what happens if I'm going to lock this day. Once a day is locked, you won't be able to make any modifications to existing entries or create any new ones. Also, you can't move entries to or from a locked day. This is to prevent accidental changes or mistakes. Visually, you can tell what's locked by the padlock and it's greyed out the background. If it's a single time entry that is locked, you see the lock there. Lock time is just one piece of the puzzle. Pairing lock time with time entry states makes managing timesheets significantly easier for admin. With customizable entry states, you gain enhanced visibility and control over your team's timesheet submission, streamlining workflows and eliminating the hassle of manual management. So be sure to check out our 2 videos on time entry states. That's everything. Happy time tracking!